Alright, here we go. We're Bohemian hunting, pig hunting at its finest. Archery kill this morning. We got ourselves a good little sow. I don't know, probably 150 pounds, somewhere in that neighborhood. Shot her with the old Martin Cheetah. Been a good bow to me this year and every other year. This pig probably only ran, I'm guessing, about 75 yards. Drop. She did some all kind of zigzagging, crazy stuff this morning. You can see all the briars and everything around her we had to go through to get it. So it was a pretty good fun trail this morning. That's why we didn't get no footage tracking it. Got finished product of the pig, field dressed, 115 pounds.